We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make Instant Pot dried beans. First, add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then 1 cup of diced onion. Hear it sizzle in the pan. Then 3 cloves of minced garlic. Now give it a stir. Don't want that garlic to burn, so we're going to quickly add salt and spices to your taste. Bloom those spices by mixing them around with the oil. That's where you get the best flavor from your spices. Then 1 pound of dried beans. And then 6 cups of water. And then we're gonna add 14-ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes and a bay leaf. Seal it up. Let it work its magic. Now after, you're gonna add the vinegar, lemon juice, or lime juice, so an acid, to really brighten the beans, along with 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh herbs. Give it a stir, so much faster than stovetop and the Instant Pot. Taste them, see if they're ready. A little bit of salt. Salt to taste. And beautiful. Cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.